going on, everyone? Today, it's the day before Caffeine and Octane. I'm actually going to be able to go. This is the first time in like 2 years that I'm going to Caffeine and Octane. So I got to get ready, got to wash the car. Homie needs the tools, so I'm heading over to his house. Let the car warm up real quick. But yeah, the car hasn't been washed in like 2 weeks. You can see how dirty it is, and I mean, rear deck lid always gets disgustingly dirty. So just gonna go clean up the car real quick, get it ready for Caffeine and Octane tomorrow. Like, the wheels are caked up, like, oh man. So get that ready for tomorrow. I don't, like I said, I haven't been in a few years, so I don't know how the layout is, how it's been. So I'm kind of just gonna show up with how the car is. But yeah, I actually have some exciting news. So once the car warms up and I get driving, I'll share that with y'all. All right, so if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, go ahead and follow me on Instagram, and subscribe if you're new. But basically, yesterday I ended up going and picking up some new fuel injectors for the car. So they're E85 compatible, 600cc injectors, are 57 pounds. So the cool part about that was, if you guys are from Georgia, just familiar with Danny Built, I ended up going to his shop to pick them up, and we talked about some things about getting done to the car. So the original shop I was going to, they're much closer than he is, so that was why I was going to the shop I was. But honestly, the drive to his shop is not that bad, so I'm going to be switching to going to Danny's shop to get all the stuff done to the car. So when it comes time to building it, he's going to be the one tearing this thing apart, getting it ready. So my boy Darius, who I bought the injectors off of, he was getting the on-3 turbo kit put on. So he basically is getting the setup that I plan on doing, minus the bottom end getting built. So I'm super hyped, because now I clearly have a plan on what I'm going to do, how it's going to get done. I know it's going to get done right. So that's super exciting. So I told him, hopefully, with the way things are going, maybe midsummer to late summer, I can get the build started. And I told him I want reliable 600 horsepower. He said he can give me more than that, so super hyped for that. So that's the big announcement, or not big announcement, just update on the route we're going down. So soon we're gonna have a absolute beast of a 3-valve, and you know, might hurt some feelings on the way there. Bro, I hate that I already washed the car and it's fucking dirty again. Like, black is impossible to keep fucking clean, man. Like, wheels still clean though.
Yes.
What's the front, like 340?
Okay, listen, I only know one. No, you're not supposed to ask me anymore. Once I do that, if you know, you know, right?
These wheels are worth more than, actually, they're not the carbon ones, bro. You alright?
Wheels?
Nah.
I got these wheels. Yeah. I got these 4S's.
Where is it? A manual? Is it a manual? What is that?
I hate that they do that.
What is that?
Semi-speed.
Yeah, man, you can't even keep red clean either, man. Like, these cars, you just can't keep the car clean,
The red is
man.
clean. The red is clean. It's the black. It's the black. Look at that.
Oh, you can tell he takes it to the car wash, bro. He got paint swirls.
Yeah, the red is pretty
Hate to see it. But next car, next daily right here.
Next daily.
You know the vibes. You know the vibes. End of wine, bro.
Are you nervous?
Oh yeah, some of these people's plates are funny as hell. I can't lie, bro. Oh yo, this buzz, bro.
Oh yeah, that's true.
Yeah, bro. Oh, crazy.
It says stock.
Do the doors go all the way up though?
It might be a P1.
Yeah, I'm telling you, bro. I wish I was rich. Just not clean my car, bro.
I'm sorry.
I'll get a little Jag. Little.
Like the cheapest McLaren you can get.
Yeah, in this market, I don't know, man. You never know. Sheesh. Track costs fast as hell, but track mode makes it fast as shit. Oh, okay.
Oh, don't do it, me, no.
Yeah, I'm so happy I didn't wrap the car that color. This is why I wanted to wrap it, but no plate, no case. So rude, bro. Is that a Tome? Yo, imagine how easy it'd be to install headers if we did that.
That's our own lift.
Yo, that ass, you could see everything. Hey man, 8-hour install right here. Easy.
That's right. That's
Easy. This thing's worth more than my life. Oh, and it's right-hand drive? Yeah, this thing's worth more than my life, bro. Sheesh. Yeah, we need to go find where the exotics are at. Yeah. Crazy. Sheesh. Yeah, we need to go over there. We need to.
That's a V12.
Yeah, we need to hit over there. Hold on. Yeah. It's a little cat. A little GTR. Damn. Woo. Put some ass on it. Some ass on it. Y'all want a C8? 150,000. Cash. Cash. Yeah, I'd rather have a C7, I can't lie. C7 over a C8. Oh, all the page. All the page. Hey, you see the back? On three. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, my God. Third child. Oh, we were on the wrong side. Whoa. Oh, yeah. It's like powder coated or something? Yeah, that's crazy. I need that. Oh, it's a Z06. Yeah, I need that. Yeah, I need that. Drove all the way from Texas out here. Shout out you. Shout out whoever this is. Can't get away from that LS chop. Shout out whoever this is. Got a little wide body to it.
I mean, I would get like a CTSV or something like that.
Big 3 Shelby ZL1 Hellcat. Shout out the boy Dark Knight. You already know the vibes. I wish you brought the Mustang out, bro. He's missing the Mustang, bro. I would have drove it. For you, bro. You gotta bring it out. Yo, it's crazy seeing people I know on Instagram in real life. Shout out Fury19. Shout out the boy. This shit's crazy. Park next to them Cleasy, but this shit's bagged. It looks super sick. But probably about to head out soon. I'm stupid hungry. It was super dope turnout. I haven't been here in years, and way fuller than I remember. So I go get some food and probably skedat. Yo, he's back for the 3rd time. Oh yeah, our boy's leaving. We're gonna be chopping on his way out of here.
thing is low.
What about that color? You fuck with that color?
Nice V6.
I'm back home now, so in the video here, Caffeine and Octane was a super dope turnout. Definitely gonna go back again. Hopefully the car will be in a better condition than it is. So I'm getting the windshield replaced soon. Once the Roush bumper comes in, then I'm getting the car wrapped. I already picked out a color. I ran a poll on Instagram. You guys went crazy over it. I had like over 200 votes on certain colors. So finally pinned down the one I want to do. So hopefully once that comes in, I can get the wrap on pretty soon. And then the whole front end will be a whole new facelift, and then the car will pretty much cosmetically be where I want it to be. And then we can focus on the fun stuff. We'll focus on getting boost, the suspension of the car dialed in, and all that. So that's the next steps. But yeah, Caffeine and Octane was a cool little meet to go to. I haven't been to a meet in a while, so it was fun to record that. But I appreciate you guys for tuning in. Like, comment, subscribe, and I will catch you guys later.